Hi guys, this is your boy Alano B, the billionaire. Today is 1st of December 2024, and let me tell you guys, today I'm very happy because I've put a lot of money in this land, but let me be honest, I think this is going to be the best land in 2025 because I'll be harvesting these cans around April or March. And let me tell you, I've put a lot of investment here, and the land is so sweet. The canes have done very well, and keep in mind, I haven't harvested here. It will be the first time, so this first time is going to be the best harvest ever. This land, I'll be honest, when I got this land, I thought it will be a hectic to me, but I knew the piece of land, this soil, I knew it's the best soil. This is the black cotton soil. I knew this is the best soil, but I was so naive because this place is a waterlogged place. Look at this. There's a lot of water here running all over. If you want to know, look at my neighbor's cans. But I have put a lot of energy, investment, and hard work here. And let me be honest, this is the best. If you work with me, as we are used to this, many people will say, why don't I use gumboots or what? Sometimes I just enjoy sitting down here. These waters just feel nice. So, if you work with me here, look at this. This is very good. If you are a farmer, if you are a cane farmer, this is very good. And my people just did the weeding a few weeks ago. No, they finished weeding on Friday. Yeah. So that's why you can see the land is so clean. I like the production. The canes have put on very well. The production is very well. It's compact, and I'm very happy. The reason why I'm let me talk to some of the people who want to do farming, and you guys have been in my DM. You're asking about sugarcane farming. So let me be honest. Don't think of profits as the first solution to these investments, because when you think of profits, then once you don't make the money that you are expecting, you will give up. And I don't like people who give up when it comes to investing. So the thing is, if you want to invest in sugarcane, just to do your best. If you have the land, put in the cans. If you have enough fertilizer, do the fertilizer, do proper weeding, do everything that you want to do. Then when it comes to profit, let's now wait and see how much money you put in versus the amount of money you have been paid. The thing is, for you to make good money with cans, you have to have many pieces of land. It's not, I have several pieces of land. It's not this one. It's only this piece of land that I have several. So some pieces of land will give you losses, and the other piece will compensate for the profit. So if you come with a neck of land and you expect to make or to reap a lot of money, then when you don't do it, you will be disappointed. But I will tell you, there's a piece of land that I invested almost 150,000, and I harvested. The first harvest I got was around 79,000. The 79,000 was a loss, double, almost half the loss. But I never gave up. I continued with the work, and this land, this sugarcane have enabled me to do and run a lot of projects that I think if I was to work as an employee, it would have taken me several years to get the money, maybe, I don't know. But I think with that, I'm pretty sure it will have taken me a lot of time. The reason why I don't do maize farming is because, now look at the area like this. This area has a lot of water. There's a lot of water in these places. And with maize, you don't need this waterlogged soil. No, it will kill them. So, for example, before I did the sugarcane planting here, I had maize. An acre here gave me like 2 bags, only 2 bags. Losses, and I had invested around because I remember I took a loan from Ecafund. They gave me around 17,000 that I pay for, I paid for. Then they came other labor, fertilizer, and everything. So the cost was around 35,000 to 40 in an acre, and I got 2 bags. The 2 bags I sold them at 2,000 shillings. So nothing. But I'm pretty sure this land will pay me the losses that I made when I was doing the maize production. So guys, if you follow me on my YouTube channel, you'll get more information on sugarcane farming and also other farmers that do different kind of farming. Pigs, there's a video on pigs. There's a video on avocado, house avocados. There's a video on Wambogo apple fruits. There's a video, the videos, different videos from different places that I have visited. I wanted to go with Kate to Naivasha, but unfortunately I was not in Nairobi, so I think I will wait for her next trip so that I can attend to go and see other farmers. So I'm your boy Alano Be the Billionaire, the big brand as always. Please guys, subscribe on my YouTube channel. Peace.